me downtown with your bitch, ayy. Riding around with your bitch, ayy. But she always frowned up and shit.
A lot of bitches, a lot of designer, it really had. I would be locked if I wasn't rapping. I would be locked if I wasn't rapping. I would be locked if I wasn't rapping. I'm the youngest nigga with that sack.
So what's this mean to you?
What? Fuck your plug, I got that sack.
What does the tattoo mean?
Huh?
What's the tattoo mean?
ESKEEEEEEEITI.
Hey, Pump, spark that.
You got him jacking the box, nigga. His little pumping a little bit. You can even tell me, boy. Come on, man.
Tell me where we at, Pump.
Put you on my Instagram.
I'm about to get kicked out for smoking curd.
Before it start, before it.
Yeah, we just rolled. We just roll it up. We're not smoking. Hey.
Lots of anger right now by the staff because Lil Pump wants to smoke weed out of the open.
They dragged me out of this place.
Pump is very much so not feeling this. So this is the VIP meet and greet.
Weed is legal in LA.
Oh, it's more legal here. You don't even have a card to go buy weed
But they
here.
still won't let us smoke it indoors. Yeah, I don't know.
Well, you never show up at my house.
Lil Pump is irresponsible and impossible to control.
Nigga, I'll be his security.
In the center or what? And Pump are very excited right now because this show is about to be fucking lit. It's completely sold out.
Hey, man, we sold out on this bitch, man.
First time in Portland?
Second time. I sold out the
Second
first
time. His
already.
first time?
It's his first time.
Your first time in Portland, right?
First time in Portland, let's get it.
And we sold it the fuck out.
First time in Portland, sold out. Let's get it.
Yo, he was lying.
Yo, he was
You swear to God. On the tour bus, he was high as fuck.
You swear to God.
Yo, I swear to God, he smoked.
What the
It's in the vlog.
Yo,
It's in the video.
vlog,
Yes.
Oh my God.
You should have been on the tour bus, bro.
No! No! This nigga's crazy! What the fuck? Yo, I've never seen him smoke, bro.
Yo, he smoked on the tour bus yesterday. Oh, for the
What
first
the
time.
fuck? Yo, this nigga just hit the blunt. Give me that shit, nigga. You're gonna die.
Yo, on the tour bus, he was. Yo, on the tour bus, he was straight smoking blunts with us, bro.
What, nigga? How you feel?
I don't feel the only thing he said, he's like, yeah, I do feel less tense. That's all he said.
My muscles just chilling.
He's like, I do feel less.
I told you, didn't I tell you that shit?
He's talking about his muscles. He's definitely high.
Yo, when you do my music video, you gotta hit the blunt. Like when you do this other shit.
Y'all got chicken wings?
Oh. Good to see you. Alright. Oh, you want to do a few until he gets his wall? Let's do.
If you can't see Lil Pump, let me get a hell yeah!
You have like a monthly representing card and shit.
Just to make a nigga look so damn sick, like you seen a bitch with 3 tits. I'm on leave. Sick.
Oh, shit.
Look at me. Yo, cat.
I'm trying to get a feature, bro.
Yo, this shit. Hold up, take one on my phone.
Gang shit. Smoke bang shit. Hey, where the hoes at? Bang shit.
Oh shit! Hold on.
Oh, Wi-Fi. Okay.
We in this bitch.
Oh, yeah, Wi-Fi.
Gang. Gang. Let's go back a little bit.
$5. Hell yeah.
I need my honey. Cause he ain't gonna fuck up. If you don't stop acting ignorant, we got company here. So for real, man, we got company here, man. I know you drunk as hell. Not yet. Not yet? Alright, so, okay, cool. It's not, I don't know if you mind being on it, but like, we $1 million niggas.
Yeah, we're rappers.
Okay, cool. Trust me. Just look at us. We don't got face us for no reason. Let's go.
What up, Paul? Where we going? Buy some title.
Mom. Guess what? Let's get it!
Yeah, drink up tonight.
Remember going 2017, but somebody doing something with gang, bitch.
Gang.
What the fuck is up?
Shit, man.
Goddamn. Smoking a blunt right on the street. This is Alfredo. That's my business partner right there. Look, it's pump with a blunt.
We come in big dope on smoking.
These dudes don't give a fuck about nothing. I love y'all. See y'all soon. Hit you up. Hey, Pump, how was last night?
Lit, nigga. We was piped up, bitch. All over my ass.
Oh, laptop in the ass. That'll do it.
Fuck, man. They going crazy. This is Happy Pump. Agora!
No, because you kept taking it in front of fans.
I was like, say I won't. Say I won't again.
Wait.
Say I won't again.
What? I won't pop his hand right now. I won't pop his hand right now. I haven't even ate breakfast, nigga. I'll pop his hand right now.
I'm gonna sit right here.
Nigga, what?
I'm scared to turn the camera off.
Hold up.
That's the only place I can sit.
Oh my god.
Shit. Hey, Perk.
Oh my god. Most socially irresponsible thing I filmed in a while.
What?
Hey, fuck y'all niggas. We in this shit. I haven't ate breakfast.
Oh no, I just made it suck my dick.
I didn't see it.
Oh yeah, suck up the whole gang. Take Xanax?
Yeah.
You should take Xanax.
Shout out Migos, you know what I'm saying? They brought out culture, but me and Pump bringing out the Zan culture. We bringing Zan culture, the album. You feel me? This summer 2017, Zan culture. All that Zan shit going on, you know, when you fuck a bitch, you don't remember. If you raw dog did all that nasty shit, you know what I'm saying?
Man,
Zan culture, the album, you
the
dig what I'm saying?
Zan family, we is here.
We're here, the Zan family.
Here.
But Pump, we need a video from you on the channel too. Holler at me, bro.
Hey, I'm about to bust it on your grandma.
I'ma fuck your friend with my ankle bracelet on. I'ma fuck her with my ankle bracelet. You feel me? On some house arrest shit. Damn. Put my ankle bracelet in her eyes. Bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, walking the trail like a boss.
Carol City shit!
Like a boss. Gucci gang, rope gang.
Gucci gang.
This is a Gucci rope. This is a Gucci rope, nigga. Gucci rope. Yeah, I came in with a saw.
Is this an impromptu photo shoot?
Yes.
Take one more.
Uno más, por favor.
I think I might stage out my dick out there.
Yeah? Alright.
When you ready.
Lil Pump, what do you think about before you go on stage to play in front of a sold out audience like this?
I need a bitch to be sucking my dick on stage. That's all I want right now.
Twain, that's your job, is to pull that off. What's up?
Bro, my job is to make sure the money come in.
Oh,
you feel me?
Okay.
That's what we do right now.
I thought you were in charge of him getting his dick sucked, but I guess I was wrong.
Yeah, you wrong, bro.
Ooh, look for, ooh. Look for, look for, look for, look for. Hey, Ron, you know what Mama told me one day? She told me, Mama told me, Lil Papa be shit. I told that bitch, I can move these bricks. I got a big 30 and I got these bricks. I told that bitch, I can move these bricks. I got a big 30 and I got these bricks. Oh one. Hey, run this shit. Y'all ready for this one? Hurry up, Maurice. 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 Zero, 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 zero. What's up? What's up, nigga? Come up here. What's up?
It was just a huge fight, most of which I did not film. Somebody started shit with him in the crowd.
Nah, bro, you got.
So this is Adrian. We're just kicking it, hanging out, and he just told me a story about Pump from way back in the day. Let's hear this.
Alright, so 9th grade, got kicked out of high school. Added the principal on Twitter, said, I'm gonna shoot you, motherfucker. 7th grade, led the walk for Trayvon.
So basically, he's always been the same dude.
Same dude, since he was 8 years old.
Amazing, amazing. I love that because that's like a total Lil Pump lyric right there. It's like, I'm gonna shoot the principal.
You're crazy.
Hey, we just finished beating a nigga ass on stage. ESKEEEEEEEEITI.
Gang shit, nigga.
You saw his face? You saw his face, right?
Hey,
Yeah, that's gang.
Real gang shit, nigga.
Real
Disrespect
gang shit.
Pump, nigga, you gonna meet up, nigga.
Disrespect Pump, your ass gonna die on stage, nigga.
Already.
Hey, listen, when I was like 8 years old, my mama was like, boy, go do your homework. I was like, bitch, I is do my work. What you talking about? Bitch, I is do my work. I was only 3rd grade. I said, bitch, I is do my work. Huh? Hold up. Hold up, wait, hold up. I is do my work. We about to pour up, hold up.
He is doing his work.
Turn around this way.
Look at that white guy pulling up in the background.
That nigga's probably looking at this.
These niggas are wild.
He's like, I want my hair like that. Your mom's talking to you?
Hey, no, mommy. All right, look, this is what happened. All right, we was on stage.
We out here, nigga.
So now I'm in the back seat. We about to be out to Miami with the one and only Lil Pump. I didn't get his autograph yet, but I'm thinking about asking.
Bitch is Lil
Autograph
Pump.
ain't worth shit.
Hey, we just got refused service. Me and Lil Pump pulled up
Lil
at the gas
Pump.
station.
Fuck that nigga, he can suck a dick.
Hey, man.
We need a quick re-roll on this blunt.
Hi.
Gang shit.
Gang shit, gang related. Heavy artillery out here down south, you know? They ain't scared about shit.
Not a Draco.
No Dracos.
None but Dracos out here.
We traded in all the Dracos. Thank you, Bruno.
Catch me downtown with your bitch, ayy. Riding around with your bitch, ayy. Why she always frowned up and shit?